welcome to a very merry plant month, and today I want to talk to you about the holiday cactus, also known as the Thanksgiving or Christmas cactus, but those are actually two different plants, and the way you differentiate it is when they bloom and the shape of their leaves. This one is the Thanksgiving cactus. It started blooming for me around Thanksgiving, and as you can see from the shape of the leaves, it has pointier edges, while the Christmas cactus would have a more scalloped edge and would bloom around Christmas time. And this plant can be found in most garden centers or even at grocery stores during this time of year, but unlike the other popular holiday plant, the poinsettia, this doesn't die out by the end of the season. In fact, as a house plant, this can survive generations, and a lot of people would make propagations of their holiday cactus and pass it along to their friends and family. So this makes a great holiday gift if you're looking for a plant to give this holiday season, and this would be great even for people who are not plant parents yet or are plant beginners. This is also a very easy care plant, especially during this time of year where it would actually require lesser light and cooler temperatures in order to get it to bloom. And this plant also doesn't require a lot of watering. You only water it when the leaves look a little bit wrinkly. And to propagate this plant is very easy. Just cut at one of the nodes, just like this one, and stick it back in the soil or in a planter, and they're good to go. They would grow roots that way. You don't have to do anything special. But yeah, that is the holiday cactus, aka the Thanksgiving cactus or Christmas cactus. Do you have one or are you planning to get one? Let me know down in the comments.